What's up, everybody? It's your boy PokeSharkJ, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be opening up 4 packs of Sword and Shield chillingreigns. We're still looking for those legendary birds, so without any further ado, let's shred them right open and see what we got. Alright guys, here goes our 4 packs. Let's get this legendary hunt underway. Let's start with Zapdos first. See what we can pull. Code card for y'all guys. 1, 2, 3 to the front. And there we go. We got Leiden, Avery, Honey, Snover, Sneasel, Swirlix, Porygon, Ladybug. Our reverse holo is Crushing Gloves, and our rare is Urn of Vitality. Yes, single strike. And then here goes our energy card. We pulled something good today. I am happy. Give me 1 second, let me sleeve it up, guys. I guess so far it has been a legendary hunt. Alright, let's get to our second pack. Let's hope it continues. That would be A-okay with me. If I can get this pack open. Okie dokie. Let's see. Well, they switched it on. Sorry, guys. Here goes the code card. Oh, goodness. 1, 2, 3 to the front. What is Pokemon doing? Alright. Crabnable. We got Spiral Energy. We got Honey. Sneasel. Galarian Farfetch'd. Venipede. Feel. I always get tongue-tied on that one. Sorry. Coffin as our reverse holo, and our rare is a Goose. Non-holo, and our energy card. And here goes our next pack with the Glen Motors on it. Which way they gonna have it this time? Okay, code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3 to the front, and here we go. We got Honey, Galarian Slowpoke, Weedle, Clobbopus, Mareep, Ralts, Aaron is our reverse holo, and our rare is Sawbucks, non-holo, and our energy card. And our last pack. Let's see if we can end it on a good one. Code card. Let's do our 3 to the front. And here we go. We got the Scroll of Piercing, Avery, Twacky, Castform, Quillfish, Heracross, Castform. Our reverse holo is Glen. What's happening? Glen Runnergus, and our holo, our rare is Hattering holographic. Sorry guys about my camera. I don't know what's happening. I guess it's the shine off of the reverse holo. And our energy card. Let's leave this one up right quick. So the 2 holos we pulled 2 from those 4 packs. And this was the first one we pulled, and here goes the last one we pulled. Thank y'all guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks, and have a great day.